Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hi friends, my name is Aniruddha Vijay Kumar Kavle. Today I am presenting my solid waste management project. My project name is Give Plans to Reduce Waste at its Sources. Subject Solid Waste Management, guided by Professor M.V. Khade sir. Today my project partner is name is first अनिरुद्ध कावळे, बेलदरे काशीनाथ, हलके शावराज, पायाले निलेश, शिंदे मोहित. Today I am presenting my project. What is waste? What is waste? It is defined as waste, also known as rubbish, trash, refuse, garbage, junk, is any unwanted or useless material, or any materials unused and rejected as worthless or unwanted and useless or profitless activity, using or expanding or consuming thoughtlessly or carefully. Type of waste: solid waste, liquid waste, gaseous waste, animal byproduct, biodegradable waste, chemical waste, commercial waste, business waste, biomedical waste, and last one is a bulky waste. Solid waste, it is defined as solid waste is defined as non-liquid, non-soluble material raining from municipal garbage to industrial wastage that contain complex and sometimes hazardous substances. Solid waste also include garbage, rubbish, demolition products, sewage treatment residues, dead animals, manure, and other discardable material. Sources: agriculture, fisheries, household, commerce, and industries. Municipal solid waste consists of household waste, construction and demolition debris, sanitation residues, waste from street, with rising urbanization and change in lifestyle and food habit, the amount of municipal solid waste has been increasing rapidly and its composition changing. Characterization of municipal solid waste. Characterization of municipal solid waste. Total is 100% by 5.2% wood, 5.9% glass, 10.4% food wastage, 9.4 plastics, 7.7% metal, 13.4% yard waste, 38.1 paper or paperboard, 9.9% other. Effects of solid waste. If solid waste are not collected and allowed to accumulate, they may create university conditions. This may lead to epidemic outbreaks. Many diseases like cholera, diarrhea, dysentery, plague, jaundice, or gastrointestinal diseases may spread and causes loss of human lives. Waste management concept. The 3 rupees reduce, reuse, Three R's: reduce, reduce, reuse, recycle. To be followed or waste management. Reuse. Reuse. Reuse refers to using items more than once in instead by instead of buying new containers from the market. Use the ones that are in the house. Don't throw away the soft drink can or bottle. Cover them with homemade paper or paint on them and use them as pencil pencil stands or small vases. Reduce means to minimize the amount of waste we create. Disposable goods, paper plate, paper blow, uh, styrofoam cup, plastic spoon, roll or paper, towels, paper napkin, durable goods, charming plastic plate, metal spoon, glass, plastic drinking cup, dish, towel, cloth napkin. Recovery of 1 ton paper can save 70 trees. Recycle means putting a product to a new use instead of throwing it away. Use shopping bags made of cloth or jute, which can be used over and over. Solid waste management is the storage, collection, transport and handling, recycling, disposal and maintaining or waste material. Waste handling and transport. Waste landing handling and separation involves activities associated with waste management until the waste is placed in store containers for collection. Handling handling also encompasses the movement of loaded containers or to the point of collection. Waste is transferred from smaller collection vehicles to larger transport equipment. Thank you.
Seal Education Society.